In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Wix. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix and click the official Wix result. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Wix branding and the option to sign in. Go ahead and log in to your Wix account. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, look for the Setup area. This page is designed to help you finish getting your site ready, and you'll see a section called Connect a Custom Domain. That's exactly where we want to be. Connecting a custom domain is what makes your site look professional and easy to find. So it's worth taking a moment to confirm you're on the correct site in your account, especially if you manage more than one. Next, you'll see a search or input box where you can enter your domain. Head over to wherever you have your GoDaddy domain copied and paste it into this box. Use the exact domain you purchased, without adding HTTP or HTTPS. For example, enter it in the format yourdomain.com. If your brand commonly uses www, you can still enter the root domain here. Wix will handle the rest as you proceed. Double-check for typos. Copying and pasting directly from your GoDaddy account is a good way to avoid mistakes. After you've entered the domain, click the button that says, Let's Go. Wix will quickly check the domain and then present the option to connect it to your site. Choose Connect it to your site, and make sure you're connecting it to the correct Wix site if you have multiple projects in your account. At this point, you'll see a notice that connecting a domain is a premium feature. That's expected. Free Wix sites can't use a custom web address. To move forward, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. Upgrading not only enables the custom domain connection, but also unlocks benefits like removing Wix ads and accessing more resources, depending on the plan you choose. After you upgrade, Wix guides you through the remaining on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Keep your domain details handy, ensure your domain is active on GoDaddy, and give changes a little time to take effect after you proceed. This is normal. Once the connection finishes, your visitors will be able to reach your Wix site at your custom address. And that's it. You've seen exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to proceed to connect a GoDaddy domain to your Wix site.